It's been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without something to step to. Step. Do. It's been a long time since I've uploaded. Hello, sweet angels. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Keda, aka Kedapalooza, and I'm so sorry. I have been gone. It's okay because I am of the mindset that quality over quantity, right? I'm trying to do the best that I can, the full-time job, and lots of projects in the background, which you will get to finally see one of them soon. Hopefully this video comes out before that one, but I have a very special series that I've been putting my time and energy and love into, and I cannot wait to show you all. But today we are going to dive into some more DIY-y home stuff because I am turning 31 in a couple weeks. And I wanted to really get my apartment in order. So what we're doing today is we're gonna be focusing on this coffee air fryer Nook kind of situation that I have in my kitchen. I have been making coffee a lot more at home for when I work from home on the weekends and things like that, so I'm not ordering Starbucks and stuff as much anymore, which in this economy, I mean, I get it. When I do have low spoons days, it can get really hard and I'm just I just want breakfast and coffee all at once, bring it to me. But I've been having a lot of fun kind of trying to make a routine, a little ritual for myself, and so I figured why not try to make the part of my apartment, make it a little bit cleaner, make it a little bit more keto friendly, make it a little bit more organized. I think that that's gonna be a huge theme of my home videos on this channel, as well as a theme in my life, just organization. It's nighttime now. It's a little bit chiller. It's the weekend. We're gonna use tonight to kind of pour ourselves into something fun. I don't think I have everything I need to really truly complete the DIY situation tonight, but I think I will do as much as I can. And y'all are not here because I'm perfect, and I really appreciate that. Speaking of which, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. I hope you enjoy gaming content, fashion content, and home and lifestyle stuff. I really, really, really appreciate you all spending time with me, sticking it out with me. I may not post every week, and hopefully I'll get to a place where I can do that. I'm gonna try to give you the best that I can when I can. And enough of my talking, let's get into it. I don't know what I'm doing. So we got some nanoleaf lights. I'm going to be doing the trim of the cabinets with these lights. Here are the tiles that are peel and stick. I got a pack of 10, super easy apparently to just peel and go. And I got this lovely drawer for my Nespresso pods that I'm going to put my Nespresso on top of later. Okay, so don't read me for how grody this counter is. Okay, we're doing it now, we're clearing it off. That's all that matters. Also, something that you'll see in a second as I'm wiping everything down is that I had to use Lysol on the walls because I needed to, degrease them. That way the tiles can stick properly and stay in place. So I kind of had to feel out where I was going to start. What you don't see me do off camera is take my box cutter and kind of cut off the little extra edges that you see on the other tiles. So what I'm deciding here is that I'm actually going to take the rough edge and put it mostly inward so you don't really see it, and then form fit everything else alongside that. Cutting the remaining edge here was a little wonky. Like I said, this DIY is not gonna be perfect. What I did was I kind of just did a little nick on each side so I knew where to cut. Went away, cut it off. Wasn't perfect, but it looks good to me. Now we're just doing the same exact thing on the other side. Now, I will admit, I should have lined it up a little bit better because as you can see, oof, buddy. I will hopefully be redoing that side in the future.
A few moments later.
Listen, I didn't say I was perfect. I was doing so well, and then I thought, you know, that I did the calculations properly and everything, and I fucked up. But that's okay, because it's going to be at the back of the Nook where no one can see it. And I'm just gonna put this over the electrical outlet. You'll see what I mean. Nah, I'll be fine. Here is where we are so far. Honestly, I know it's a little janky, but I'm actually quite proud of this. We're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna talk about this corner right here, but the rest of it looks really cool. And honestly, I think once I put all of my appliances and stuff, those two corners will become a non-issue. Oh, good morning. or if we want to be literal, happy Sunday afternoon. It is absolutely almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And yes, I did just wake up. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let's be real. I'm probably going to redo the one side that I really effed up, like. But I will say, doing that has given me the confidence to do it in other places in my apartment. So I'm gonna order more of that tile when I can. Cheers to a job kind of okay done. I don't know. Why are you trying to eat the stop? You wanna sign off with me? Just straight up cat asshole. We're we're gonna keep cleaning because we have friends coming over later, and I thought it was really nice to get that DIY done so I can show them. And also it just makes my home feel a little pretty. Like looking over at it makes me so happy. It's just a nice other pop of color. It just feels nice. I'm very determined to make this apartment feel very me, and I know it looks wild with all the color and stuff I have behind me. You're probably like, what are you talking about? But I think something that's really important is that, like, for me, it's important that my home, yeah, looks good, but also functions for me as well. And even though that Nook was functioning just fine as it was, it needed a little bit of an upgrade, and it needed some rearranging. It just made sense. So yeah, expect more of this in the future. Also, please stay tuned for a very fun, exciting project that I'll be launching next week. I can't believe it's finally here. I feel good about 31. I know that, like, last night I was talking about how I want to get my life in order, and I know that I have been taking my time on YouTube, as I think, you know, honestly, everyone should move at their own pace, even though it's easier to say that than to do that and internalize it. But I'm very excited for the things that I have planned and the things that I want to do and share with y'all and work on. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna finish my coffee, probably heat up some pita, and get my day started. Cheers! See y'all later.